A team of campaigners, consisting Professor Stephen Hawking, has been taking into account permit to problem by the government public health politics in the top trial. They will conduct a court overview versus Public Health Registrar Jeremy Search and NHS England above plans to build reports thoroughness organisations, ACOs. These are to act as association bodies comprising hospitals, society services and councils. Campaigners say it risks privatisation, but the is rejected by ministers. NHS England wants hospitals and some trusts to job close in GPS and public thoroughness services to see following more than patients in their communities quite rather than in clinic. In several areas, these groups are evolving in ACOs that will conduct contracts to ensure services. Critics claim how they could cover the way for privatisation of components of the NHS and how Parliament has not legislated to enable the trial to occur. The team urging the instance to trial says an Act of Parliament would be necessary for the changes. Ex-Halifax and Huddersfield Advisor I General Surgeon Dr. Colin Hutchinson, who chairs Doctors for the NHS, told, "These drastic changes will ultimately influence all in England down there as necessary to be a audio legislative base up 10-year contracts cost billions of pounds are outsourced to these new organisations. Legislative expenses will not be covered if the instance is loose, and the claimants are told to be examining their following stairs." The Division of Public Health and Public Thoroughness told the claims would be resisted and it was reckless alarmism to say reports thoroughness organisations were support privatisation. A representative told, "Same NHS will stay a payer-funded framework, complementary at the spot of utilise. ACOs are just on manufacturing thoroughness more than united up among various public health and thoroughness organisations. Ours advice on changes to supporting ACOs is completely relevant and legal. We trust it is law how regional NHS leaders and clinicians include the independence to solve the top solutions to enhance thoroughness for the patients they aware top, and any considerable regional changes are ever object to social advice and do legislative trial."